Do you know that Zoom unveiled a new feature, the Intelligent Director, adding a fresh and intuitive twist to our online meeting experiences? How is this AI-based system set to revolutionize the world of video conferencing? Keep watching to find out. Many of us are conflicted about how technology is developing. On the one hand, new methods of operation and tools enable us to accomplish more than ever. However, we are wasting valuable time that could have been used to establish connections or work on game-changing ideas as we attempt to cooperate across hybrid work styles, switch between apps, and keep up with our colleagues. Zoom is aware that AI is a crucial component of the solution and has used the same for a long time. Zoom, the video meeting app Intelligent Director, recently launched for improved hybrid meetings. We can see that the technology employs multiple cameras along with different AI algorithms for displaying the best image. The concept also ensures a better view of angle participants. After the pandemic, more people have returned to the office and hence the use of the platform faced a backlash. According to Samita Hashim, Chief Product Officer at Zoom, every organization needs a solution to give the best hybrid meeting experience. Hence, equity and inclusion meetings are more crucial than ever. Other members are frequently separated even when certain team members are present in the office. So the solution is Intelligent Director, which can bring workers together no matter where they are, so they can interact in person. Moreover, even in big conference rooms, Intelligent Director will improve intelligibility for remote participants and help prevent the bowling alley effect by directing streams to the Zoom meeting's gallery view. So, up to 16 individuals can be framed by the AI-enhanced technology, which is a development of the company's current Smart Gallery offering. According to Technalysis research analyst Bob O'Donnell, the difference in face views between in-office and out-of-office video call participants is a big concern for businesses employing the specialized technology and the suppliers developing it. Moreover, people have slowly returned to their jobs since the pandemic began in 2020. However, the change is not complete. According to O'Donnell, many workers still participate in video conferences from remote locations, particularly computer professionals. The multi-camera configuration of the approach was created to provide meeting equity for everyone at a conference, even if they move or turn their heads, because in larger meeting spaces, people can frequently be obscured when simply employing a single camera. The backing of Zoom's hardware partner ecosystem, which includes market titans like Apple, Dell, HP, Intel, and Logitech, has allowed for the development of Intelligent Director. Whether or not remote working will continue after the epidemic, video conferencing will remain as an essential tool for keeping teams and employees connected. And Zoom will continue to lead the market by adding new features. When only one camera is used for the meeting, there is a problem where individuals are more likely to be obscured by others in larger settings. The evolution of Zoom's Smart Gallery feature that uses a single camera and AI gives each person a personal space in the Zoom meeting. The director of Zoom said that the same concept is expanded for larger conference rooms. Hence, meeting equity is provided for each individual and provides the best view even if the members turn their heads. The company also claimed that now remote participants can have face-to-face conversations with each Zoom room participant, which allows in-room participants to be seen and heard. Make sure everyone in a meeting feels like they have a voice, advised Nathan Shaw, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Zoom, in an accompanying blog post. He added, "You help everyone feel heard, involved, and included with Intelligent Director's AI technology, pulling from multiple in-room cameras to identify the best view of each individual. Intelligent Director can use the best video stream by using an AI that Zoom created and direct that stream to the gallery view of a Zoom conference. Out of many, one of the numerous AI-powered products Zoom will offer in 2023 is Intelligent Director. Customers on a few tiers can now try Zoom IQ's generative AI-powered capabilities for free this month. These users had access to the collaboration and productivity-enhancing Zoom Meeting Summary and Zoom Team Chat Compose features. This year, the first demonstration of Zoom's open AI-powered capabilities occurred at Enterprise Connect. So techies, feel free to share the platform's user experience in the comments. Moreover, users can create draft messages that capture the context of a discussion thread using Zoom Team Discussion's Compose tool. The tool allows you to edit the message's length, tone, and answer. Furthermore, Zoom also invested in Anthropic in May to expand its AI capabilities. The company's federated approach to AI was enhanced through the collaboration with AI safety and research company Anthropic by integrating Claude, Anthropic's AI assistant, with Zoom's collaborative platform. It would be the first time Zoom has a Claude integration for Zoom Contact Center. Zoom has continued to make important announcements outside of AI. Last week, the vendor introduced Zoom Scheduler, a new calendar alignment service to simplify cooperation and lessen friction during planning sessions. Zoom Scheduler works to reduce the toggle tax associated with switching between different programs, such as a user's email, calendar, and video chat service. Zoom's platform has an appointment manager and scheduling tool called Zoom Scheduler. Users can create availability slots for meeting participants who can choose a preferred time that fits everyone's schedules. The vendor and Sony teamed together last week to make their video communications and collaboration technology available on Bravia TVs. Meeting summaries will allow meeting hosts to write a summary using Zoom's extensive language models and distribute it via email and Zoom Team Chat without manually recording the conversation. Moreover, automated summaries are sent to hosts who can then disseminate them to attendees and those who could not attend. Users can rapidly connect with co-workers for video meetings in remote or hybrid working environments with the aid of the solution, which is accessible as a Zoom for TV app through Google TV. Zoom on Bravia TV combines the sophisticated functionality of Bravia Camera with the feature set of Zoom's platform, including screen sharing, collaboration tools, and video conversations over the TV. The company has been innovative for the past few years. Over the past year, they have added various Zoom IQ features, such as smart meeting recordings, which let you easily retrieve the meeting data you need through chapters, recording highlights, and action items. Moreover, they also introduced Zoom IQ for Sales, which employs conversational intelligence to gather insightful information from customer interactions that can be used to boost seller effectiveness and improve customer experience. But that was only the start. By summarizing chat threads, organizing ideas, drafting content for chats, emails, and whiteboard sessions, creating meeting agendas and other features, Zoom IQ will soon become a smart companion that fosters collaboration and unleashes people's potential. The capabilities of Zoom IQ are intended to make workflows more efficient and provide you with the knowledge you need to complete tasks. Here is an example of how that day might go. If a team member arrives late to a Zoom meeting, they can ask Zoom IQ to provide a real-time summary of what they missed and answer any additional questions. Moreover, Zoom IQ can produce a whiteboard session based on text prompts if one is required for the meeting. So when the meeting is over, Zoom IQ will write up a summary, upload it to the Zoom Team Chat, and make suggestions for the owner's next steps. You can then use Zoom Team Chat to work together on a significant, time-sensitive project. Imagine you had to leave the meeting for a moment, so when you returned, you had a lot of messages to catch up on. Zoom IQ makes it easier by summarizing the thread so you can understand the main points. Once you're familiar with the system, Zoom IQ Team Chat Compose makes it simple to assist you in finding the appropriate words by composing a response for you, and if necessary, rephrasing responses. Additionally, you can use generative AI to get content suggestions for your notes if you need to follow up with a customer through email. Furthermore, Zoom IQ offers assistance by reading meeting summaries with clients and even considering accomplished tasks. Hence, it would help if you closed the loop by personalizing the email and sending it again. The time it takes to write an email, locate the notes from a call you missed, or catch up on unread chats. You can earn more than just time by doing these little activities more quickly. Zoom enables better teamwork and innovation for ourselves and our groups. Moreover, we will have more time to concentrate on the important things, like the relationships you build with team members and the experiences you give consumers, while Zoom IQ takes care of the little things. Well, there you have it, a comprehensive look at Zoom's latest AI-powered feature, the Intelligent Director. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive and found it informative. If you did, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd also love to hear your thoughts on this new feature. Do you think it will significantly improve your Zoom meetings? Drop a comment below. And until next time, stay plugged in.